Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use different layouts in Blocksy according to date and time. Okay, so let's head over to our dashboard, hover over Blocksy here, and click on Content Block. And it doesn't really matter what kind of content blocks or block or layout we're going to make. So let's go ahead and click on Add New. Right, it doesn't really matter. We can just use this hook, hook 7, let's just call it, and we'll create it. And let's wait for it to load up. Okay, and then we can just put anything here. We'll just use some elements from the design library to, let's say, card, maybe, metric. This might be fine. All right, let's just call it this. All right, and we'll call this okay, and we can set it up to display on WordPress head, and we'll just keep it at that. But if you wanted it to be on a certain date or time, let's figure out how to do it with from the Blocksy child page settings here on the right sidebar. Under display conditions, we'll click on add conditions and click on add display conditions, and you can choose to include or exclude here. Right now, by default, it's on the entire website, so it'll appear in everything. But if you scroll down, we have date and time settings. So we have a range of date and time, right? And we can go to August, July, November, so on and so forth. And we can set the start date and time, and you can set the expiration date. So for instance, if you had a promo code for Black Friday for just one day only, if you had summer break sale, winter sale, fall sale, you can set the dates there. Alternatively, we could select it on recurring days. So we can have it happen every day, or we can have it on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, so on and so forth at a certain date and time, right? So let's just have it like this. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, Sunday, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays from midnight to midnight. Save the conditions, save our options here, and it should appear on our website, but we can just preview it real quick and see if it's saved. And there we go. It appears on top of our website. Okay, so there's how you set up conditions according to date and time on your custom layouts on WordPress Blocksy. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.